ing lising ani kun mangagi June gi tang kun tarukta Kanchipurda leiba Manipur University ki court hall da Department of Physics na silangduna International Conference on Quantum Many Body Systems haudoki. International Conference asibu hena mapung phaba conference ama oinabagidamakta Manipur gi mapalamda leiba achauba state singdagi maming leiraba professors doctors na chingba laktuna saruk yaki.
This is a very important conference on the recent progress in the field of atomic, molecular and optical physics, and it has attracted people from all over India, some active scientists and also people from other countries. And this will be beneficial for the entire community of atomic, molecular, optical physicists, both scientists and students working in this area.
It's one of the important areas which is also highlighted by the international physics community. This is the International Year of Quantum Mechanics, and quantum computing is one of the greatest Indian missions now. All the brightest minds of India who are working in quantum many-body systems, quantum computing, quantum optics, they are assembled here. So this would be an extraordinarily important event both for the students and the researchers working in these fields.
It will give us opportunity to know what different researchers are doing in our field. So and also give us opportunity to discuss with them on research problems of mutual interest.
We are going to cover several topics. That also covers this National Quantum Mission part of it. And here we'll be talking about fundamental applications and their fundamental physics and their applications. And there are people from atomic many-body methods and those who are studying quantum optics and also light matter interactions. There are several topics we are going to cover here. Yeah. I'm one of the organizing committee members also.
It is one of the prestigious conference in this quantum many-body system, so which is now kind of an emerging area. And at this particular conference, scientists and professors from across the India, various institutes, they have been gathered here for this conference. Yeah, and we are hoping for and looking for very good and fruitful outcomes of this conference. And we thank Manipur University and Manipur for organizing this. Yeah. Thank you.
This is an extremely timely conference, and particularly the collection of people who have come here. Some of the leading experts in the country and also internationally, some of the best minds and the best scientists. So this will be very exciting. Actually, having this kind of a conference anywhere in the country would have been a great experience. So we are all very excited. Personally, this is the first time coming to Manipur, so we are all very excited. Yeah.
This is an extremely vibrant topic for internationally, and it is really nice that Manipur University is organizing this because for the students, for everyone, and there are a beautiful selection of speakers. So I wish that on a very important topic, which is right at the heart of physics. So I wish that the conference very well, and I look forward to attending it.
Numit humni chupna chathagadaba conference asigi haudokpagi thoramda Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor N. Lokendra Singhana Chief Guest ki phamlamlangda lengsinki. School of Mathematical and Physical Sciences MU gi Dean Professor Sumitra Fanjobamna Guest of Honor amadi Department of Physics MU gi Head Professor Angom Dilip Kumar Singhana President gi phamlamlangda lengsinki. International Conference asiga mari leinana Professor N. Lokendra Singhana
Range
Chief
of
Guest ki
themes
warol
such
asumna
as
thamki.
condensed matter physics, quantum information and quantum technologies, atomic and molecular many-body physics, physics of cold and ultra-cold atoms, quantum matter, among other emerging topics. These fields are not only central to our understanding of fundamental physics, but also have far-reaching implications for future technologies. The program includes invited talks by distinguished experts, as well as oral and poster presentation by faculty members, postdoctoral fellows, and research students. This blend of experienced voices in emerging talent will no doubt lead to the inspiring discussions, fresh perspectives, and potential future collaborations. Manipur University is proud to host this academic gathering and contribute to the global pursuit of knowledge. Finally, I extend my best wishes for a successful and enriching conference. I also wish that the proceedings of the conference should be published in a proper way so that these papers and other deliberations of these 2 days conference should be an added contributions in the ongoing field of advanced researches in the field of physics. With these words, I would like to thank all the learned delegates from inside and outside the state and also from abroad for coming all the way to Imphal, which is a border state, to join and deliberate in this very, very significant conference. Thank you very much.
Professor Sumitra Fanjawamna Guest of Honor ki warol thamki.
To be present here today, and I am very happy that the Department of Physics is organizing the international conference on quantum many-body system from 26 to 28 June 2025. So as Professor Gomti has mentioned, quantum many-body system constitute a fundamental area of research, and this conference will provide a platform for exploring and understanding the different areas or different branches of physics, and which includes like quantum information science, then from condensed matter physics to nuclear physics to atomic physics, optical physics, etc. So the Department of Physics has done a great job, I think. And as I was going through the program schedule, I find that there are invited speakers from all over the country, from very esteemed institutes of the country, from the south to the north, from the west to the east. It covers the whole span of the country. So to mention a few, I am very happy to know that we have a gathering from premier institutes like RRI Bangalore, IISc Bangalore, then we have IUCA, TIFR Mumbai, then we have the many IITs, IIT Delhi, Kharagpur, IIT Mandi, Ropar, like so many, all the IITs. Then we have the ISER Kolkata, then Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science, and IIT Guwahati, and Central University Rajasthan. Like in short, the delegates here, the invited speakers seem to cover the whole span of the country, and I think we are very fortunate to have this galaxy of leading researchers and experts in the field gathered here together on this very day for the next 2-3 days. So in this regard, I would like to congratulate the Department of Physics and the organizing committee led by the head of department, Angum Dilip Kumar Singh, who all have coordinated and dedicated their time to make this conference very beautiful and one and great success. So the last time, I just want to recall that the last time we had such a huge gathering of luminaries, experts from all over the country was almost 10 years back in 2015, when the department had organized the SERC, DST SERC school in nonlinear dynamics. So that time, there were more than around 20 experts from different premier institutes of the country. But the difference is that at that time, the experts, they came for 2-3 days and then they go, and then the next phase come and they take their classes and go. So it was sort of on a rolling basis that continued for the long 21 days. So that was a good experience, and we had participants from around 40 from all over the country. So after that, we are having this great collection of experts. And the difference now we say is that today all of you are here together under the same roof. And indeed, it is very heartwarming to see all of you here today. And as I see the program schedule, as I look at it, I find that the invited speakers, the number is so great, like more than 20, I think. And I think this is quite rare to have so many invited speakers for an international conference. And in that too in a place like so remotely placed like Manipur. But I think we are very fortunate, and I must say that for our students, this is very fortunate indeed. So I entreat the scholars and the students of the department and the participants to take advantage of this opportunity by not just showcasing your work in your presentation, but by interacting, engaging in active interactions and discussions with the experts in the field. And in that way, you will not only increase your knowledge, but you will also expand your network. And we know that networking is very important in the present day world. And who knows, after this conference, after the interaction, it may land you a PhD position or a postdoctoral position in one of these leading institutes. So I encourage the students to take seriously these 3 days and to interact as much as possible with the experts present here today, which is a very rare opportunity. And I extend a very warm welcome to all of you, the invited speakers and all the participants, and especially to those who have traveled miles across so many miles to be here today, in spite of knowing the difficult situation that Manipur is facing. And thank you for taking the trouble to come here and be with us. And I would also like to say that other than just the enriching academic discourses that you will have in these 3 days, I hope that you get to enjoy your short stay in Manipur. I think the organizing committee has arranged for outings, and I hope there is cultural show also. And I hope that when you go back, you take loving memories of our state. Finally, I would like to express gratitude to the funding bodies, and in particular to the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Manipur University, who has always been giving continued support and encouragement towards such academic initiatives like this. So I hope that other departments, the physics department, other departments of the university will also organize conferences, workshops, etc., to make the academic environment very vibrant in the university. So I again welcome you to Manipur, to physics department, and to this conference, and I wish the conference a great success.
Thauram asigi President Oiriba Professor Angom Dilip Kumar Singhana International Conference asigi matangda asumna phongdokhi.
Professor Fanjabam Sumitra, guest of honor of today's function, and all the invited speakers, participants of the conference, heads of departments of various departments of the university, students, research scholars, and the media persons. I realize that many of the invited speakers have reached here, have come here, despite the anxious comments and worries of their family members. I thank you for that. Because as we were closing, as we were nearing the date of the conference, I had received many messages and emails inquiring about the situation, and I think that is very natural, given the way how the situation has been covered in the media. And I have tried to give you a very honest picture of what is happening here. And I hope that upon reaching Imphal and at the university in particular, and seeing the situation all around, I hope that you have realized that I have told you the truth, which may sound a little different from what you may have read in the media. Despite all those misgivings, I really thank you all for convincing your family members, near and dear ones, to be here with us today. It's indeed a great privilege for us in the department and the university to have all of you here to deliver your talks, to discuss with our students, and to help in making this program a successful event. We have a very diverse topics, though it is in the realm of quantum many-body systems, but within it, in the conference, we'll be covering very different topics. So I thank you all for being here, and I hope you'll enjoy the next 2 days of being here. We have planned some outings, but it all depends on how we stick to the schedule.
The first technical session of the day, may I have the honor to request Professor Sadiq Rangwala, RRI Bangor, to kindly take the session chair for the first technical session.
Which are bringing in the light, and then they are split into different directions, and their polarizations are all optimized for trapping. Now let me tell you why we are interested in doing ultra cold molecules. So I'll specifically talk about molecules, why we and not really about atoms. So why are we interested in ultra cold molecules? So if you look at the molecules potential energy curves, on the x-axis is the internuclear distance, and y-axis is the energy. This is what the different electronic states look like. And if you want to excite a molecule from over here, near the ground state, to one of the electronically excited state, then that's around, you would need an energy of around 2 eV, which is on this column on the right hand side. So this is 2 eV. Similarly, the binding energy of a molecule is of the order of 0.8 or 1 eV, depends on the molecule, but for the kind of molecules we are interested in.
International Conference on Quantum Many-Body Systems haise subject asimak yamna physics ki damakta yamna fundamental oiber research area ni aduga sigi sina akoi gi different branches of physics ki akoi understanding mayam sing so loina mak piba ngam doi neba aduba handa ki conference ki yamna maru oiba haigadra sigi se akoi gi invited speaker mayam sing se akoi gi lam sigi akoi gi country sigi yamna cho ba institute maming lerba institute sing dagi aphawa researcher mayam la eba masing kun hena la e duga foreign dagi su khara yauri ago moi mayam pulap ongtang da la aga akoi gi under the same roof lairaga akoi mayam da lecture pi ba haiba se it's a very rare opportunity aduga aina sid haijaning bana akoi gi chhatra mayam gi damakta di yamna kanna ni kai gi no da akoi na lam chat pa da lecture ma ta ba phangi ani ta ba phangi but here kun mukse do moi loinamak access laira doineba ago says the interaction phajana ta horaga di moi networking phajana ta horaga di moi gi masagi confidence hengat padana tana moi gi tungi lamben da su yamna kanabu oini na khalli phd tawrako matam postdoctoral tawrako matam da sumba power researchers myam sing siga connection lei hok taraga di moi gi tungi lamben da yam kanane na khalli
nauna hogalaiba satra jing maruaina akhoi department of physics adi atopa maril in our department of chemistry moi de gizu participants adum yauje hajiki anova ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯟꯇꯝ ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤꯁ ꯑꯦꯟड ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯟꯇꯝ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯁꯦꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦल ꯀꯟꯐꯔꯦꯟꯁꯁꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯟꯇꯝ ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤꯁ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯟꯇꯝ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯁ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯟꯇꯝ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯒ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯛꯅꯅ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛꯁ ꯈꯔꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ IIT ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯥꯛꯅ 10 ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯤꯄꯦꯟꯠꯁ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯇꯦड ꯁ꯭ꯄꯤꯀꯔꯁ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯏꯖꯔꯁꯇꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ISCSꯗꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦ IISCꯗꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯂꯨꯆꯤꯡ ꯄꯨꯔꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯍꯩ ꯇꯝꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯩꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯈꯪꯂꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯔꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯣꯛꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯍꯟꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯗ ꯐꯤꯖꯤꯛꯁꯇ ꯇꯝꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯀꯦꯃꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯠꯇ ꯀꯦꯃꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯀꯨꯞꯄ ꯃꯔꯣꯜꯗ ꯇꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯊꯣꯏꯗꯣꯛ ꯍꯦꯟꯗꯣꯛꯅ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨ ꯐꯪꯒꯅꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯉꯁꯤꯒ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯍꯧꯔꯣꯜꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯗꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯟꯇꯝ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯍꯩ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯊꯝꯃꯒ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯐꯔꯦꯟꯁꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯎꯠꯀꯝ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯐꯝꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯩꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯀꯨꯏꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯍꯩ-ꯑꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯈꯟꯅ ꯅꯩꯅꯕ ꯀꯟꯐꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯀꯨꯏꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯧꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯇꯝꯖꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯃꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯣꯏꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯃꯣꯏꯗꯁꯨ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯟꯇꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯔꯦ ꯔꯤꯁꯔꯁꯇꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯋꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯃꯍꯩꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯈꯪꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯕꯅꯤ